What we're making tonight for dinner is something a little bit fun that the kids will like. I'm calling them Italian empanadas. Some gorgeous Proud Cow ground beef going in here. Hutterian Farms, which is a local farm in Washington. And look at how it just browns up so nicely. I hit the pan with just a little bit of olive oil to start, and now we're just gonna get this nice and brown. The name of the game, once again, is minimum input for maximum output, and how you do that is by using really quality ingredients like this great ground beef, but also a few tricks, a few hacks, a few tips to make it go faster, like the store-bought pesto. I've fried up my ground beef and it's resting, it's sitting on the side, and now I'm going to make the rest of my filling for the empanadas. I got whole milk store-bought ricotta. So I would say about a cup of that, and then I'm going to add in about a 1/4 cup of pesto. And then on top of that, a little parm, somewhere between an 1/8 and 1/4 cup. Thanks to the parm and the pesto, I'm just gonna hit it with pepper and not salt, use salt. All right, now we're gonna mix that up. I've got my store-bought puff pastry. So first things first is I need to make some circles. So a lot of people have fancy cups they use, but I just use a drinking glass. So I'm gonna take one bottom piece of puff pastry, do a nice dollop, hit it with a little ground beef. Then we're gonna take the next piece of dough, pinching it so they stay together. I'm going to then place it on my pan. So this is the job that the kids can do. It's pretty satisfying, right? So these are fine as is to go right in the oven. A lot of people do an egg wash to really make them glossy and kind of shiny when they come out. I like to just do milk. So these are gonna go in the oven for 15 minutes at 350, and then we'll have dinner. In the meantime, I'll make a simple green salad and everyone's gonna be psyched. All right, timer is up. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, ta-da! Like I said, just a green salad, maybe some fruit on the side, and what a fun 5-ingredient dinner that took, 20 minutes, if that.